what's up, y'all? You kicking it with the Junkyard Dog on junkyarddogs.com. My name is Tony, and you know Lil Chuck. He out here kicking with his pops at the Fabulous Fords show out here at Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah, we came last year. It was really hot, but today it's actually kind of cool. We got a little bit of cloud. So yeah, we get to actually spend a lot more time not out here sweating to death. But dude, they got everything out here. I'm talking about classic Mustangs. They got S550s. They got Fox bodies, SN95s. Like everything's out here. Faulty Tires is out here. Shelby American's out here. I mean, we're gonna go check out everything, man. So follow us along. We're gonna go just check out the builds, see what people have been doing in their garages all year. And yeah, just enjoy the show, enjoy the day, you know what I mean? Fords all day. Alright, so check it out. We're in the Saleen booth right now looking at the Saleen 1. This is a complete carbon fiber body car that Steve Saleen designed from the ground up. Now this is not a Ford that he modified. This is his design, and I think this is really dope. Like, he's coming with an American design for an exotic car. I think that's dope that the American car companies and Americans are stepping up to the plate as far as exotic cars, you know what I mean? So check it out, man. I'm going to give you a closer look in a second. You also check it out. The red notch is sexy, you know what I mean? So check it out. I'm gonna get one of these hats though. There's a man out here who's got some 5.0 caps. I think they're a little low key right now, but I don't care. I'm still gonna cop one anyway. This is hot. This is hot. You got anyone that's not just a Coyote? You have any hatch?
Yeah, hatch, Coyote, and notch.
Alright.
So yeah, you gotta dig in there.
Yeah. See that?
That red one right there is a notch.
This is a notch right here. Check it out. Check it out. Yeah, man, it's dope. See this fox guys. This is how much my man loves foxes, yo. You know what I'm saying? It's just tight. So I'm gonna cop one right now. Huh?
You have a convertible 5.0?
You want the vert? You hear that? You hear that? He wants a vert, bro. That's what's up.
You got a notch in the head, but where's the convert?
Nobody's messing with the vert. I'm gonna cop one of these right now. This is dope, man. Check it out. Let me see how this fits.
How much for that? How much?
20 bucks.
20?
Yep.
This one 100? You always know.
That change?
See what color?
Boom.
The black one?
Like it? Bam. 5.0, baby. This man right here is a good cat, man. Ever since I've been started messing around with the foxes, this man been messing with me. So he keeps trying to hide from the camera. So he's not hiding today.
I have no choice.
Where's your car at, bro?
Over there.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, that's what's up. We're gonna go check his car out right now, alright? Damn, man, I'm just so glad. There's a lot of cars out here, man. I'm just happy to see everybody, man. This is what I'm saying, like the camaraderie, you know what I mean? Like, you Chevy guys ain't got this, man.
Nah, that's true.
No, they don't, man. They see each other and be mad. Yeah, no, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy, man. I've been back in. I've been back in.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying? So I'm good. I'm coming back.
You look good, man.
Thank you,
That's
man.
That's always good to hear.
Yeah, I'm bouncing back. This is Ryan, man. So apparently Ryan bought some heads for me. I sold a lot of heads, man. A lot of GT40s and gone out there. But he said he got some, man. So hey.
Yeah, I mean, you put together a quality build for, I don't know, I don't want to throw a number on it because I don't know. It goes up and down, I'm sure, but yeah, man, top notch for doing the value build, you know. I couldn't have done it any better.
Thank you, man. See, this guy understands the value of used parts, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just was walking around here and he saw me and hey, if you see me out here, speak. It's okay. Hey, Chuck, come here. Come here for a second. So check this out. So this is how hot rodding is born, all right? So I'm his dad. I'm introducing him. His dad, who I think is a little camera shy.
Yeah, all right. Start with the dad. You teach the son.
And you teach the son.
And move
See,
forward.
this man right here did his job, and he created a hot rodder, okay? And that's what we got to keep doing to keep this alive, okay? You got to create hot rodders.
Pass it on.
Pass it on, exactly, all right? Keep the kids out of trouble, keep them in the cars.